Hello everyone, this is Suchi. Welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we got to know about the brief introduction to a cell, its structure and its characteristics. Today, let's know about the cell structure in detail. So based on the cellular structures, cells are of two types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So what do you mean by prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells have no nucleus. It means that the genetic material that is present in the nucleus, usually in all the cells, here it is freely suspended in the cell. This region is called nucleoid. These are single-celled microorganisms. Size of the cells ranges from 0.1 to 0.5 micrometers. Hereditary materials can be either DNA or RNA. So some of the examples for prokaryotic cells are bacteria and cyanobacteria. The prokaryotic cells generally reproduce by a process called binary fission. This is a form of asexual reproduction. In this binary fission, the cell body separates into two new bodies along with the genetic materials. So now what do you mean by eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus. The genetic material is present in the nucleus. These are multicellular organisms, that means made up of many cells. The size of the cells ranges from 10 to 100 micrometer. The plasma membrane is responsible for transport of nutrients and electrolytes in and out of the cells, and this membrane is also responsible for cell-to-cell communication. They reproduce sexually and also asexually. Examples for eukaryotic cells are plants, fungi, protozoans, and animals. Now let's know about the cell structure. The structure of the cell includes individual components which carry out specific functions needed for life's processes. These individual components include cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and other cell organelles. Let's know about cell membrane. It is the outer covering of the cell. All the cell organelles such as cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. It is also called as plasma membrane. This membrane supports and protects the cell. It also helps in the movement of substances in and out of the cells. It separates the cell from the external environment. The cell membrane is present in all the cells. The membrane is porous, that is, it contains small holes which allows the movement of selective substances in and out of the cell. The membrane also protects the cellular component from damage and leakage. Now we shall know about the cell wall. Please make a note of this. This cell wall is present only and exclusively in a plant cell. This is the most important and prominent part of the plant cell. It is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. It is the outermost layer of the plant cell. This cell wall protects the plasma membrane and other cellular components. It is a rigid and stiff structure surrounding the cell membrane. This provides shape and support to the cells and protects the cell from mechanical shocks and injuries. Now let's know about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like thick clear substance present inside the cell membrane in which all the cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes are suspended. Most of the chemical reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. Now let's know about the most important structure of the cell, that is nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic material or the hereditary material, that is DNA. It sends signals to the cell to grow, mature, divide and die. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope that separates DNA and the rest of the cell. So let's wind up here. In our next video, we shall know about the cell organelles in detail. Please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos. Thanks for watching.